Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Delight Redefined. Today I am going to talk about something really important, especially in current scenario. Every single day, no matter how positive we try to be, we encounter negativity. Sometimes we encounter negativity when we talk to different people, when we connect with different people. Now won't have same perceptions. Some people may have some kind of negative perception about life, and when we will connect with them, their negativity will impact us as well. In the same way, we also heard negative news, we watch different television shows, and all this impact our mind, the way we create thoughts. We create a lot of negative thought every single day. We don't even realize that. We all have that in our subconscious mind, and that is why it is extremely important to clean our mind every single day. At least we should do this process regularly. Why it's so important? Today I will talk about it, and in this entire video there will be 3 parts. The first one is why it's so important. The next part, what we can do about it, and the third part is where I would talk what we can do, what's the best practices so that we can make this process much more effective. So let's start this video, but before that let me remind you, if you are new to this channel and you are interested in personal development and law of attraction related topic, then don't forget to subscribe the channel. Also hit the bell icon so that you get notified every single time I post a new video. Now let's talk about the topic. The first thing is why we need to clean the negative thoughts. Number 1, what happens? From our childhood, we have learned to act in certain way. Whenever we feel like crying, we don't cry, right? Whenever we feel angry, we don't always express our anger. And that is a nice thing, right? Because we are living in a society. But on the other hand, what happens with all these negative thoughts? And all those emotions, the negative emotion that we create, which are associated with this negative thought. We have all this pent up energy. We have all these thoughts in our subconscious mind. And these thoughts create depression, sadness, anxiety. Sometimes we don't even understand why we are feeling low, even though everything is fine. Because in our subconscious mind, there are a lot of things happening. All these negative thoughts we have in our mind that needs to be cleaned. So that is the first point why we should clean all this negative thought. We should flush out all these negative thoughts from our system. Number 2, when we will start the process, when we will flush out all these negative thoughts from our system, we will achieve clarity. We will understand a lot of things. We will have that clarity of desire, clarity about what we really want, why we feel this way. We will realize a lot of things in this process, and that will give us clarity. And number 3 is about law of attraction. So if you practice law of attraction deliberately, no matter how positive you try to think, no matter what you visualize or affirm, if you don't flush out all this negativity from your system, what will happen? You may get result. First thing, you may not get result, and even if you get result, that won't be permanent. Because if there is something inside, it will always attract negative situation in your life. So what will happen, even if you get some kind of positive result, but after some time again you will attract negativity. So that is why it's absolutely essential to flush out negative thoughts from our system. And believe me, it's really easy. So what we can do? Simply take a notebook and a pen and write down all your feelings, all your thoughts. For example, if you're writing and if there's nothing coming into your mind, you can write, nothing is coming into mind. If you think this process won't work, then you can also write it down, or you should also write it down. Whatever is coming into your mind, it is also called negative journaling, where you are actually writing down all your negative feelings and thoughts in a piece of paper. So it's absolutely wonderful way to flush out all your negativity. But there are certain things which you need to keep in mind, and that's our how section. The first one is when you should do it. I especially prefer doing it in the morning, because if you start this process, if you start your day with this process, and if you flush out all the negativity from your mind, more your entire day will be much better. You will start the day with a positive thing, with a positive mind or a clear mind. So that is why I generally prefer doing this in the morning. Number 2, write for at least 3 to 4 pages, minimum of 3 to pages. There are days when I write for 10 pages. It's that effective. So when you will start doing it, when you will get the result, you would be so excited to do it more and more, and then you will automatically be motivated to do it more. But for the beginners, I would say at least target for 3-4 pages and do it continuously at least for 1 week. And when you will do it, you will get the result. The first result you will get is the peace of mind. It is actually a roller coaster ride, but don't judge it. Okay, don't judge your thoughts, don't judge your emotion. Just let it flow. Just let it flow, because when you write it out in pages, then you flush it out from your system. The third and most important point: don't read what you have written. I discard the pages. A lot of people like to do it in a dramatic way, so they can also burn the pages. Some people write it, but they don't discard it or burn it. In that case, you can keep it somewhere where no one would read it, because this is your personal thing, and you should also not read it. Why you should not read it? It's very simple, because if you read it, then you reaffirm it, right? Like positive affirmation, we always ask people to do it multiple times, because you need to repeat it. But when you're flushing out your negativity, it's like vomiting, so you don't want to go over it. Don't go through what you have written. If you like the idea, then please let me know in the comment section. Also, please try it for at least 7 days and let me know if it worked for you or not. If you don't feel motivated in the middle of the process, maybe after 3-4 days, please write to me. Come here and watch this video once again for motivation. You can also write me in the comment section so that I can motivate you a little bit. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have enjoyed, don't forget to give it a like. Keep tuning in. See you soon.